Hi. It's been less than a week since I've left ONDC, and I have got so many offers to join a job, to be a CXO, to be a CEO, to be a co-founder, to be a equity holder, to be angel investor. And it's very gratifying. It's good for ego, but it's really not good for my heart and my soul. There was nothing wrong with what I was doing in Sonia and ONDC. Great jobs, great problems to solve, great people to work with, great purpose also. Then why would you not do this? Because I look at my life, I come from movies. I look at my life as a blockbuster A grade movie. So it needs to have a certain meter to it. In a movie, you know, it has to be entertaining, right? To begin with. But more than that, I think you choose the people you hang with. One very very critical in a movie for a hero or a heroine is to have agency. I need to be in environments where there's agency. Since this is no longer school, there is no need for regimentation. You should be able to choose your own time and space, and as long as you have a certain goal to achieve, I mean, give the goal, give the playground, but don't tell how to do it. It is extremely critical that you build on top of everything else that has been built so far, and you don't just talk about it. Talkers are not respected. It's the builders who get the cream at the end of it. You have to have a purpose larger than yourself. Be in a A grade, brilliant blockbuster movie. I mean, Shah Rukh Khan always wins, right? Even if it's Pathan. I mean, so. So you always win, and there has to be lots of love. There has to be lots of accolades. I mean, they have to cry for you, etc., etc. So the emotionality also has to be there. Without the emotionality, without the logic, nothing really works. You will have your gang. You will have people who believe in you no matter what, and so you need the gang around. With a gang, you can build anything, and you don't need to actually do any paperwork. You can actually just do this verbally, and it will get done because there is that much trust. It's all a play. While it may look like hard work, etc., but it's actually play because you're building with people you really like, who you trust, who would give their life for you, and vice versa. And in the end, you win. And the winning is nothing but the fact that you've kind of done right by everybody, and you kind of done right for everybody and for yourself. If your heart is happy, everybody else kind of benefits from that. What is the point of being less of a person, personal, professional, this, that, five people, to get to work? It makes no sense to me. So yeah, so the reason to not be in a corporate is not what everybody imagines it to be. It's really not about the money and the position. I've been a CEO since I was 24. I've earned a lot of money. I will always earn a lot of money. That's really not the problem. I have equity in enough places. It's good to be board members, etc. But that's really not the game. A great blockbuster movie requires heart. It requires vision. It requires wisdom. It requires life lessons. It requires comrades. It requires a bunch of people who love each other, what's and all, who don't judge each other just because somebody fell down, somebody got up. It's not a race. We are not in school. Life is not a race. Life requires you to kind of go along with everybody. And when somebody falls, you make them get up, and vice versa. Yeah, so if that's that, please, hey, let's hang together. Let's do this. Let's build this greatest blockbuster of all times with each other. If not, while I'm flattered, I won't say yes.